Hello and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. So the Central Board of Direct Taxes has awarded the charge of a project which is called the TaxNet 2.0 to Bharti Airtel Limited. This project is aimed at enhancing better connectivity services for the Income Tax Department. Moving on, Dr. Neeraj Mittal, who is the Secretary for Telecom, he's inaugurated the Center of Excellence which focuses on classical and quantum communication for 6G. This is done at IIT Madras Research Park in Chennai. Next, the Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, he has inaugurated the second edition or phase of Khelo India Rising Talent Identification Initiative. This is done in New Delhi. And the purpose of this initiative is to identify grassroots level talent efficiently under one platform. Now next is an interesting update. So the historic Wagh Nakh. Now what is Wagh Nakh? This is essentially a war weapon which is in the shape of a tiger's claw. This was reportedly used by the Maratha warrior king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to defeat the Bijpur Sultanate chief Alfaz Khan back in 1659. So this war weapon, it is back in India and it is at display in the Satara Museum. This is going to be displayed for a couple of months until January. This is arrived from the London's Victoria and Albert Museum to honor the 350th anniversary of the great Maratha king's rule. Now next, Kamla Pujari, she is the 2019 Padma Shri recipient. She has passed away. She is a tribal woman who hails from Odisha and has been very renowned for preserving and making use of indigenous farming techniques. Now let's proceed with the international news developments for the day. So US President Joe Biden has endorsed the name of Vice President Kamala Harris as the Democratic candidate in the race to the White House. Ivory Coast joins the 1992 UN Convention, which is called the UN Water Convention, as the 10th African nation, and overall it is the 53rd member. Next, India beats UAE by 78 runs to step closer to the semi-final of the Women's T20 Asia Cup 2024. Next is an update from China. So China has reduced energy uses and also pollution by introducing the world's first high-speed carbon fiber train. Now let's conclude the segment with an important day. So the day concerned is the National Flag Day. It is observed, please understand, on 22nd of July. On this day, India adopted the national flag back in 1947. This was done by the Constituent Assembly. That's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.